Okay, let's check my mic first. Can you hear me, everyone? Okay, I start recording. Okay, good to see you today. I'm very humble and honestly to make this presentation. I'm a reporter this time. My name is Longdi Zhang. It doesn't matter you call me. You can call me Anthony if you want. Today, I will talk about the performance of the Goodman. Goodman is a company with a global real estate expertise. Okay, in generally, this report will analyze and introduce the background of a company. The company is a Goodman. The impact of a coronavirus 19 pandemic and recently economic recession on Goodman. Moreover, this report will introduce the financial condition of the company and will use a financial ratio and a stock value module to analyze Goodman's profitability and whether the company is worth investing. Finally, I will give every investor to investment recommendation and the stock page. Okay, this slides I will introduce Goodman was founded in 1989 as a private property trust focused on the industry property and listed on the Australia Security Exchange. Security Exchange is a ASX in 1995. Goodman is a highly regarded and long-established company. In addition, the Goodman Group is an integrated real estate group with operation across Australia and around the world. And GMG is Goodman. Is one of the world's largest professional investment management companies listed in the industrial property and commercial space. And this slides referring to Goodman's philosophy. Goodman's primary business is to investing in industry properties, investment management, property service, and property development held directly or indirectly. In other words, the company focused on the customer's experience and quality service to its customers, ensuring the delivery of innovative real estate solution to meeting the individual needs of each customers while thinking the provider investor with a long-term rate of return. In my opinion, Goodman has a good corporate philosophy, and his positive investment philosophy is transmitted to the outside, which is the only way to company's long-term development. Okay, when I talk about corporate governance, the Goodman boards and management teams have a very high standards for corporate governance, and recognizing an effective corporate governance culture is critical to long-term performance of a business and a guarantee for investor. According to errors 2008, with the improvement of stakeholder social responsibility and accountability like this one. It is very necessary for a company to development relative governance rules. I think this is crucial to sustainability of a Goodman Group. according to Goodman annual report 2020, Goodman's corporate governance is a commitment to clients to effectively control risk, like increase transparency and corporate responsibility, meeting stakeholder expectation through financial management. That is a good corporate governance for company, I think. And this picture, I checked from the Yahoo Finance. This picture, from the analysis of state stock price and financial statement, we can see that Goodman financial performance in past 3 quarters is relatively stable and has been on the rise. Goodman EPIs, and this one, is expected grew 12% in the 2021, and the stock has been trading around 23. Now is 22.73. It's very high for this stock. But this past financial year has been tough, with the business and the community facing huge challenges like coronavirus 19 extreme weather condition lead to the bushfire in Australia, followed by the global coronavirus 19 pandemic in the final months of current financial year. That is unprecedented health, social, and economic consequence. And I also have a lot of say about companies' impact on the pandemic. We can see that we are effective about CAGR. CAGR is a compound annual growth rate. In the result was the same in the 2020. The board believe 2021 is much more challenging given the current economic environment. Management and other employees must bear the risk and having a negative impact on the operating earning related to the external factors or internal factors. For epidemic situation, GMG also has a prevention measure and actively respond to the national policy, like this one. Okay, let's going on to the next slides. This slides I use a 2 valuation module to evaluate Goodman. The first one is a CPM, like this one, and the other one, the second one, is a discount cash flow. And this slide is a clear show free cash flow and growth rate is 8.85%. It is slightly rising with a healthy cash flow growth rate. It is expected to continue to rising slightly over the next 5 years. Goodman's net present value is 5,770. Providing that the company net present value will providing companies profitability is viable. And I also use the risk premium, the risk-free premium expired return rate to calculate the CEPM. The CEPM is 14.17%, which proved the the rationality of the company's investment. And the last one, this is my investment recommendation and the stock page. In my recommendation, Goodman is a good investment option and also is a comprehensive real estate company with a great potential. With a sound financial structure and a management concept, GMG has always been in a far leading position in the industry and had undertaken its due social responsibility in the society. This is undoubtedly a good guarantee for all stakeholders. Finally, my advice to investor is that it is a good company to invest in, and the stakeholder is going to slightly on the stock market. Goodman is also diversified investment firm. Net present value is very high. Is very high at $22.87. The stakeholder is recommended to hold for a long term. That is my recommendation and the stock page. Okay, this is my reference list. It's too long. Thank you, everyone.